Okay friends, today we're going to make spicy ramen, an upgraded version. We're going to add our homemade chili oil, which I made the other night. We're going to add in our fresh basil. Okay, we're going to add red chili flake. We're going to add noname togarashi, Japanese spice. I'm going to add some tomato paste. I'm going to add in a little chicken bouillon and water. Okay friends, we're going to separate one egg, the yolk from the white. Okay friends, we're going to add Parmesan to the egg yolk. We're going to mix that up like a carbonara. Make a nice little cream. Mix that up. Okay friends, now that comes to a boil. We're going to temper the egg yolk. What does that mean? We have to add some hot water to the yolk before we add it back in. Mix that up. You don't want to add that to boiling water. Okay friends, now we're going to add the egg white. We don't want to waste. And look at that, now we add our ramen. We let that cook down. I'm going to add medium green chili from the garden. Okay friends, we're going to add some fresh ginger. Very good. Friends, now we add in our egg yolk with the cheese. We give a mix. Now we put the delicious ramen. Oh friends, this is amazing. It's so good. We top it off with cilantro or coriander, depends where you are. And there you go. And there you go friends, ramen noodles finito, perfecto. Buon appetito. I hope you like this recipe.